Tutorial on how to apply for duplicate degree or diploma certificate. Log in through student portal and enter your enrollment number, password, captcha code to submit. If you have any query regarding login, watch the video on how to log into student portal mentioned in the description box. Click on the certificate request from the menu. Click on the link in the red color for the new certificate request. Read all the instructions carefully. Scroll down and enter your residential address with city, state and pin code to submit. Select Ahmedabad zone. Select duplicate degree or diploma certificate from the drop-down of the type of certificate. Number of copy is 1 only. Payable amount is visible on the portal itself. Read instructions for the size and extension of the documents on the portal. For documents, details are given in the description box. Upload ID proof. Upload scan or web copy of the degree or diploma certificate or upload provisional certificate or grade sheet of the last attended exam. Upload affidavit on 50 rupees stamp paper to submit. Pay fees after submitting all the required documents. Check status on the portal itself. You can change the documents while the status is still pending. Contact us on email ID convocation@gtu.edu.in. For more updates, kindly subscribe to GTU's official YouTube channel. Thank you.